Here's how to subtract fractions using a visual model. I'm going to draw one rectangle, and I'm going to split it into two parts with a vertical line down the middle, and I'm going to shade one of those parts to represent 1/2. I love how people are doing it on their paper. All right. Then I'm going to put a subtraction sign in between, and I'm going to draw another rectangle. And this time I'm going to draw horizontal lines. How many parts am I going to break this second rectangle up into? 3, absolutely. So I'm going to draw 1 line, 2 lines to make 3 parts. How many parts am I going to shade in? 1. So shade in one of your parts. Okay, now step 3 says to make the first shape look like the second shape. So to make the first shape look like the second shape, I'm going to draw 2 horizontal lines. 1, 2. And then I have to make the second shape look like the first shape, so I'm going to draw 1 vertical line. So now, who can tell me what's my new denominator? It is 6. How do you know it's 6? Each shape is divided into 6 parts, correct? So how many shapes are shaded in the first one? 3. So my first shape represents 3 6. How many shapes are shaded in the second one? So my second shape represents 2 6. So now let's subtract. What's 3 6? Subtract 2 6. 1 6. Now this is the other thing. You can also literally subtract by going back over to your model and putting an X over this number. So how many are shaded in right here? 2. So I could put an X on 2 of these. And don't I see my answer? I can still see my answer. It's 1 6. Does anybody have any questions? Okay, so I'm going to save this video and upload it to our YouTube channel for subtracting fractions using visual models.